To MgGlobal, good afternoon. Now I am standing on a big township, big high-rise complex, and this is situated on NSC Bose Road near Garia Metro. This project, there are 10 towers, and every tower which is G+14, and here 2.5 and 3 BHK flats are available. So this is your entrance, and beside your entrance there is a large kitchen. In your master kitchen, this is your refrigerator point, this is your cross ventilation window, and your chimney point we will provide you also. This is your living space, and the carpet area of this living space is 250 square feet. Come to see your sky deck attached with your living cum dining hall. This project have two options for connectivity. One is EM Bypass South and another is NSC Bose Road near Garia Metro. You are watching your NCP box at lobby space, and in front of your NCP box this is your washing machine unit. After watching your washing machine point, just beside your washing machine point, this is your common washroom. Here all products are branded. Just opposite to your washroom. So let's explore your kids bedroom, which is 11 cross 12 feet. This is your frame style window, and beside your frame style window this is your cross ventilation window also we will provide you. Just beside your common washroom, this is your 11 cross 18 feet large spacious master bedroom, including your attached washroom. In this bedroom you can watch there are two windows. One is cross ventilation window and another is which is frame style window. This is your lobby space, and you can use two lifts in this lobby space also. I am standing on the skywalk on 15th floor. So all the 10 towers are connected through skywalk. Provide you every amenities and facilities in this skywalk. Here yoga room, gym center, and you will check this is your solar grid also. So our project is situated on bypass. You can say that EM Bypass South, and this is your a nice view from here, this city and town also. Let's walk around this skywalk. This is your children's playing zone. So this is your community common kitchen space, and this is you can use this type of kitchen in your ceremonial purpose also. Watch, this is your skywalk also. So in this project 95% apartments already sold out, only 5% apartments which is ready to move in condition, and rest of this which is under construction and which will provide you during 2025. Regarding your pricing, offer and discounts, please call on the mentioned number. See you soon on our next video. Happy journey.